Conditioner. Willis Carrier was the designer of the first air conditioner in 1902. In 1914, the first air conditioner device was installed in a private house because it's so big and it took up too much space to come into widespread use. Then Carrier brought out it in 1920, and its really cost was very expensive. But when put the air conditioner in the cinema, income will increase because they will comfortable with that current. Beside that, many consult employer regarded air conditioning as a luxury, and they said that if they were paying people to work, it should not be paying for them to be comfortable as well. But then in the 1940 and 50, they also installed air conditioning for typists to increase their work productivity. However, Jeff Rao, an environmentalist, criticized air conditioning as a factor in global warming because it leads to higher temperature. In my opinion, air conditioner is necessary because it have really the heart of everyone in the summer. Jeff Rao also admits that things. Um, the history of an invention that make life more pleasant and now too.